Oh, look at this. Look at this fresh pasta we just made. Hey, it's Jason with Dad's I Cook, and we are in Greve in the Chianti region with Chef Genty, and he's going to show us some incredible stuff.
We make ravioli, the pasta.
The pasta. Just dump it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You press like this.
Okay. Ah, yeah. Smart.
1 teaspoon
Salt. Okay.
and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We are using 2 whole egg.
Whole eggs.
Next here, you are welcome to put this beautiful yolk inside, and now you whisk like this.
And the number one ingredient in the kitchen is time, patience.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I add water. This is the last water because the simple bag,
Okay.
the pasta don't dry in the fridge. 20 minutes. We make a sauce. We use a classic Italian one, butter and sage. We add a pinch of salt. You are welcome to come here.
Go for it, buddy. You got it.
We reduce a little bit more. We fill our ravioli with fresh ricotta cheese, parmigiano, salt, and white pepper.
Lemon zest. All this work. And then you eat it in like 2 minutes. Okay, andiamo. Bravo. We're making nudi, which is the inside of the pasta, which normally would be for the ravioli, but we're making it gluten-free without the pasta. So it's nudi, it's the filling.
And it's actually pronounced nudi.
Nudi.
Not nudie.
We add more parmigiano with the ricotta.
Egg yolk.
Thank you. This rice flour.
Rice flour, yeah.
With a spoon, we do this technique.
I know that nudi is completely different than gnocchi because it's not potato based. This is obviously all cheese and parmesan and a little bit of egg, and we're making it gluten free.
Exactly.
But the technique similar.
Rice flour. And now you are welcome to open like a pizza with a rolling pan, because after we cut in 4 pieces.
Okay. So we had a big piece of pasta's all rolled out. So we cut it into 4 so it's easier to work with. Let's try, see what happens.
So we start from 0, and each time we change it.
And we go 1.
Yeah. And you can control the pasta from this part. We cut the corner, 1, 2.
So it's just an egg yolk or the whole egg?
Whole egg.
Whole egg.
1,
So 2 raviolis.
2.
3. Oh, I see.
This is for the biggest one.
Yeah.
We press a little bit of film, press around.
That looks amazing.
Wow.
10 raviolis in the water.
Ready? 3. Look at the ravioli.
Oh, look at that.
And because it's floating, it's done?
4. Yeah.
Okay.
4.
Oh my.
We start
Lord.
the wedding. They're really soft.
Yeah, very soft.
I am imagining.
2. The sauce.
Oh,
1.
careful. Wow, that looks amazing.
Got it down.
Yeah, get it. Get that Parmesan in there. Oh, look at this. Look at this fresh pasta we just made. Oh my God, try that. Sage, butter, lemon. Oh my God. You have to make this. I'm telling you, you have to take the time, people. There's nothing better than eating your own stuff. Oh my God, it's so good.